Well, hello there. Today I'm going to start learning the song called Yesterday When I Was Young. It was probably around 1964 or so that this song came out. Perhaps earlier. Original was in French. I believe it was called Hier Encore. And Charles Aznavour, the very famous French composer and singer, I wrote this song both in French, English, and probably Armenian as well. He spoke several languages and did many songs in different languages. I'm gonna do it in C minor. The chords I'm gonna need are gonna be like, I say in the pattern that we use: F minor, B flat, E flat, A flat, F minor again, G, G7, C minor. So even though it's in key of C minor is not played a lot in this song. And perhaps the best way to learn it is that I play it slowly and sing along, and you can see how the chords change. Let's go ahead. Let's do a little introduction. Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of love was sweet as rain upon my tongue. I teased life as it were a foolish game, the way the evening breeze may tease a candle flame. 1,000 dreams I dreamed, splendid things I planned. I always build a last on a weak and shifting sand. I live by nights and shine the naked light of the day, and only now I see how the years ran away. Yesterday, when I was young, so many happy songs were waiting to be sung. So many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast that time, and youth at last ran out. I never stopped to think what life was all about, and every conversation I cannot recall concerns itself with me, and nothing else allowed. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. I used my age as if it were a magic wand. I never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The game of love I've played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit to quickly die. The friends I made all seem somehow to drift away, and only I'm left on a stage to end the play. There are so many songs in me that won't be sung. I feel a bitter taste of tears upon my tongue. The time has come for me to pay for yesterday, when I was young. And that's the song. I made a few mistakes, I understand, and still learning. I played it probably a whole note lower than like Roy Clark. He did it in D minor. I'm doing it in C minor. So that's my lesson for it, and hopefully you will get a little bit better at it and do a cover as well. Catch you later.